glad you're back watching my video because this one will be so much fun. It's gonna be about a children's song. It's the most popular and most famous children's song in Switzerland to put the kids asleep. Finally, I will be able to show you what good of a singer I am. I'm gonna sing this song for you now. Just listen and try to understand. So the song is called Ich höre es Glöggli. I hear a bell. It's a very old song and we don't really know who wrote it. It just has developed over the years. Just listen up. I'm gonna sing it to you now. Hopefully nobody is listening. Okay. Ich höre... Oh my God, shall I really do that? Okay, let's do this. Ich höre es Glöggli, das läutet so nett. Der Tag ist vergangen, jetzt geh ich ins Bett. Im Bett tue ich beten und schlafe dann ein. Der liebe Gott im Himmel wird auch mit mir sein. Okay, next one. Und alle, wo müde sind, haben Frieden und Ruhe. Der liebe Gott im Himmel lässt Böses nicht zu. Ich gehe ins Bettli, euch allen gute Nacht. Der liebe Gott im Himmel und das Engeli wacht. Der Tag ist vergangen, es dunkelt ja schon. Du lieb Gott im Himmel, ich bin ja so froh. Ich will nicht allein sein, doch du bist bei mir. Und Mutter und Vater, die wachen mit dir. Okay, that's it. Yeah, please, clap. I don't hear anything. Louder. Oh, good. Thanks. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now let's go through everything. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. That was so rude. I forgot to take off my sunglasses. Hope you don't take it personally. So let's go through it. The first paragraph. Strophe, the first. Okay, the first part. Ich höre es Glöggli, das läutet so nett. That means I hear a bell, it rings so lovely. Der Tag ist vergangen, jetzt gehe ich ins Bett. The day has passed and now I'm going to bed. Im Bett tue ich beten und schlafe dann ein. In bed I'm going to pray and then I'm gonna fall asleep. Der liebe Gott im Himmel wird auch bei mir sein. Dear God in heaven is gonna be with me. Und alle, wo müde sind, haben Frieden und Ruhe. And everyone who is tired has peace and quietness. Der liebe Gott im Himmel, do you remember what that is? Der liebe Gott im Himmel, dear God in heaven. Lässt Böses nicht zu. He's not going to accept bad things to happen. Ich gehe ins Bettli, euch allen gute Nacht. I'm going to bed. Good night, everyone. Der lieb Gott im Himmel und das Engeli wacht. Der lieb Gott im Himmel, remember, dear God in heaven. Und das Engeli wacht is the angel is going to look after you. Der Tag ist vergangen, the day has passed. The day has passed. Der Tag ist vergangen, es dunkelt ja schon. Es dunkelt, I wouldn't really say that, but in a song, you know, and it's quite an old expression. Es dunkelt, it's going to get dark. I would rather say, es wird dunkel. But here, es dunkelt ja schon, it's already getting dark. Du lieb Gott im Himmel, say it. Yes, dear God in heaven. Ich bin ja so froh. Do you know that? I didn't hear it. Yes, I am so happy. Ich bin ja so froh. Ich will nicht allein sein. Very important. What's that? I don't want to be alone. Ich will nicht allein sein. Doch du bist bei mir. That's a nice sentence you can use for a friend or for a boyfriend, for a girlfriend. But you are with me. Bei mir. Bei mir in German. Und Mutter und Vater. Mutter und Vater. I'm sure you know that one. Yes. Mother and father. Die wachen mit dir. They are looking after me together with you. Okay, so now let's sing it together. Okay, you can sing after me. I sing one part, you sing it after me. Okay, let's do it. Just for the first two paragraphs, because usually people only know those two, the other ones nobody ever sings. So let's do it. Ich höre es Glöggli, das läutet so nett. Very good, oh my God, your voice is incredible. Really? Okay, let's continue. Der Tag ist vergangen, jetzt geh ich ins Bett. Very good. Im Bett ich beten und schlafe dann ein. Der lieb Gott im Himmel wird auch bei mir sein. Now. Very good! You did a really good job. That was so nice, wasn't it? So this video was actually for two of my patrons because they suggested I should do another video about a song because it's really easy to memorize words and phrases like this. So if you want to become a patron as well, you will be able to download tons of additional learning material to each of my videos. Transcripts, vocabulary lists, everything you need to know to become even better at Swiss German, Swiss German. So see you there! Okay, bye, love you.